ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Okay guys, let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Guys, hello! I'm excited. Ayan. But before that, ayan, welcome sa aking vlog, sa aking channel. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So, diba? This is me again, Roja Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Okay guys, let's start. Well, today we're gonna make unboxing my Revolt. Ayan, ang aking Revolt ay dumating na. Ayan, guys, meron akong card. Ayan, nahihirapan kasi kung gumawa mag-ano ng card eh. Yung this is a Visa card, so I can use para sa mga dyan lang sa YouTube, ganyan, chika YouTube. Kasi maganda sa kanya is very accommodate at very napaka-simple at libre lahat if you need some money to bank. Ayan. Very easy. Ayan. Dumating siya kanina lang. So, in order ko siya is almost 1 week. Let's say 1 week. Ayan. Madali lang siyang gawin, Revolt. Ayan. Buksan natin. I-unbox na natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Huwag na nating patagalin. I don't wanna make too much longer. Ayan, mga kalindog. Let us try. Ang liwanag ng ilaw. Let's wait. Ayan. No, this is better. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ha kung paano siya. Ayan. Diba? Ayan guys, this is my name, Roja Angela Briner. O diba? Yan ang talagang aking. Ayan. Diba? Ayan guys, so very beautiful yung kanya. Ang ayaw ko lang, it's the wrong thing is, in order ko, it's green na card. But ang dumating sa akin is color gray. I don't know why. Maybe yung friends ko, na-press niya yung gray instead the green. Ayan, tignan nyo ha. Ang cute niya, ayan. I'm gonna push it down. Guys, wait. Oops. There we go. O, diba? Ang cute niya. There. Ayan guys, oh, ang ating Visa na Revolt. O, diba? Ito na yung gagamitin ko pang shopping galore. But, hindi ako satisfied dahil green ang in-order ko. Ang dumating sa akin is gray talaga. I'm really disappointed with a Revolt. Revolt, hi! Why did you send me the gray? I ordered the green color. But please, I'm really disappointed. Okay? The color. Ayan. Tanggalin natin. Let's try. Ayan, mga kalindog, diba? Ayan, nandyan na yung kanyang pangalan. Ayan, my name. Roja Briner Angela. O, diba? At ayan ang kanyang pin. Para siya talagang Visa. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? Yan ang ating Revolt. So, pwede na siya nating gamitin. Tinry ko kay Nikki's Journeys. Ayan, nakipag-ano tayo. Diba? Ang ganda ng kanyang card. Ayan guys, i-search nyo siya sa, what do you call that, sa Google or sa YouTube. What is Revolt card? Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Kasimple. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ayan, Visa card siya. Ayan, diba? Ayan. Very good. So, ayan guys. So, itatry natin siya mamaya. Subukan natin. I-try natin kay Nikki's Journeys kung mag-work siya talaga or working. Okay? So, ayan guys. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing the Revolt card. O, diba? Pati Revolt card i-unbox. Well, ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Ayan, thanks sa inyong lahat. I hope did you really enjoy again my unboxing Revolt card o ang aking Visa card. So, ibalik na muna natin siya. Ayan, mga kalindog. Wala, na-excite lang ako. Sobrang excite. Kasi dito yung mga card talaga, yung mga credit card, Visa card, but yung card ko sa bangko, it's naka-block siya. Hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin sa YouTube. You cannot use it. I don't know why. It's all black. Ewan ko. I think this is the reason for the what do you call, the politics, or I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much. Ayan guys, thank you. Bye. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.